Namaste. Robotic hernia surgery is a world-class, painless, minimally invasive and latest way of treating hernias. Hi everyone, I am Dr. Nitesh Jhavar. I am a laparoscopic colorectal robotic surgeon from Apollo Hospital, Navi Mumbai and Neolta Specialty Clinic with around 20 years of experience in the field. I have operated hundreds of hernias using open and laparoscopic technique. Now moving on to doing robotic surgery. Now, if you look at the robotic surgery, there is a myth that the robot operates the patient and surgeon is not there in the operating room, which is not the fact. Usually, when we are using a robotic surgery or a robot to operate, the surgeon is present all the time in the operation theater, sitting at the console, and he is maneuvering the instruments on the console. And the same movements in real time are transferred to the patient's body using a robotic arm. Now we have a team of laparoscopic surgeons also with us who are assisting on the patient cart, and there is a surgeon who is sitting on the console. If we see what a hernia is actually a bulge which comes out through the defect in the abdominal wall, and usually this defect may be there since birth or it may come later due to some injury, weakness or any particular surgeries in the past. Depending on the location of the hernia, we divide it in parts like if it is near the belly button, we call it an umbilical hernia. If it is in the groin, which is the most common one, we call it inguinal hernia. If it is above the umbilicus, we call it epigastric hernia, and so on and so forth. Another type of deciding the type of hernia is depending on the size and severity of the hernia. So if there is a hernia or a bulge which comes out when the patient is coughing or sneezing and it goes back on its own again, or if the patient lies down, it goes in, or when a surgeon is examining, just by doing a gentle pressure it goes inside, we call it a reducible hernia. If the bulge remains outside all the time, then we call it a irreducible hernia which can't be pushed inside. Now why we need to operate the hernias? If we don't operate these hernias, then they may grow in size and later on it can lead to a condition called as obstruction, wherein a bowel loop which has come out of the hernial orifice may get entrapped in the neck of the hernia, and it can cause the obstructive features like vomiting, distension of the abdomen. Still worse, if there is a compromise of the blood supply of the bowel loop, it may lead to strangulation or gangrene of the intestine. This may require urgent surgery, and that is the time when we will have life-threatening complications related to hernia repair. So the best time to operate a hernia is the time when you diagnose it. So because today you are youngest for your age, that is one, and secondly, if it is a large one, you are sitting on a time bomb. It can go off anytime. So it makes sense to get it operated as early as possible. Like I told you earlier, hernias can be treated only by doing a surgery because they are like an anatomical defect in the body. So that has to be repaired, one, and secondly, it has to be reinforced by using a mesh or a prosthesis so that you don't get the hernias again, right? Now, when we talk about the treatment options, what options you have? We have an option of doing an open surgery. We have an option of doing a minimally invasive surgery. Now, when we talk about open surgery, we do it using a mesh where the mesh is put on the defect from outside or over the defect, and it is closed in a conventional way. When we say minimally invasive, we have two options. Either we do a laparoscopic surgery or we do a robotic surgery. Now in laparoscopic surgery, what we are doing is we are making small tiny holes in the abdomen, and through which we are putting a long, thin, rigid scope, which is a rod lens, which gives us a view of the inside of the abdomen. The instruments are also thin, long and rigid, and they are straight instruments which are used in laparoscopic surgeries. A surgeon will have a good view on a TV screen, if you call it, and we operate by using these long instruments, seeing the TV screen. Once the contents of the hernias are reduced, or if they are pulled back in the abdominal cavity, the defect is plugged using a mesh or a prosthesis, which is made of a polypropylene material in most of the cases. Now, there is another extension which is better and which is more precise way of treating hernia is the robotic assisted hernia. Now, in robotic surgery, we are using a Da Vinci system. It has the advantage of having a three-dimensional vision, a good depth perception, and a magnified view. And the instruments which we are using, they are passed inside the body using the same way like we do in laparoscopic surgery, but here the instruments are wristed instruments. They are like extension of a surgeon's hand. And the advantage is that they will have the range of motion or the movement more than the human hand. So the movements which are done on the console by the surgeon, like bending, rotating, cutting, suturing, these all movements are transferred to the patient's body using robotic arms in a more precise way. And this is one of the best way of operating in complex hernias where we want a better vision, where we need more dissection. This can definitely help. Now, if we talk about the advantages of robotic surgery over open or laparoscopic surgery, right? The best thing is that we get a good view inside, that is a three-dimensional view, which gives you a good depth perception. The movements which are there are more precise because the surgeons, that human limitations of having tremors and some kind of mild movements can be masked by the robot, and it can be conveyed in a more precise way on the patient's body. The movements are like a human hand as opposed to a laparoscope where we have a long, thin, rigid instruments which can't be moved like a wrist of a human hand, but in this case we can actually do that. The pain is less, the movements are more precise, so the dissection is quite limited. That makes the recovery of the patient faster, and the patient can go home on the same day. That stays very short, and the recovery is much faster in the way that patient can resume normal physical activities within 3 to 7 days. Strenuous activities we usually avoid for say around 4 to 6 weeks, but the normal activities can be resumed as early as possible after this surgery. Most of the patients, they give us a very good feedback after this surgery in terms of comfort and their ability to resume walking, and most of them can go home on the same day like a daycare surgery. As far as diet is concerned after this surgery, we advise liquid diet after 6 hours of surgery, and then patient can go on normal diet within a day. So now, if we look at the robotic assisted hernia surgery, this is one of the best ways of treating hernias these days. This is a more advanced version of a minimally invasive surgery which we used to do it before, and our patients get maximum advantages out of this technique. Here in Navi Mumbai, at Apollo Hospitals, we have this Da Vinci robotic system, which is one of the best available today. And we are doing regularly our hernia surgeries using robots there, and we are getting very good results. So if you have any queries or any other problem related to this, you can write to us. In case you know anybody who needs this particular surgery, then this is one option which should be definitely considered. Thank you.